A smart new driveway or patio really enhances your home. But with time, the elements can cause unprotected surfaces to become untidy, dirty, faded and overgrown. But don't worry, SmartSeal have the perfect solution. Our registered agents are experts in transforming the look of your property, protecting your investment and reducing future maintenance. SmartSeal agents are well equipped to enhance the appearance of your roof tiles, transform tarmac, bring new life to your decking, damp-proof your walls, refresh your patio and restore your driveway. The technical process varies according to the surface. If weeds or moss are growing, a cleaner or algae killer should be applied. In the case of oil stains, a treatment with oil remover would be recommended before the cleaning process can begin. Registered SmartSeal agents are equipped with professional pressure washers, and this rotary model literally keeps a lid on the process, cleaning more efficiently and minimizing disruption. Whether your surface is tarmac, decking, imprinted concrete, block paving, natural stone or roof tiles, the benefits are clear to see. The application of SmartSeal sealing products will completely transform and protect any surface, preserving that fresh look. With Block Magic, old block-paved driveways look like new. Kiln-dried sand is swept into the newly exposed joints and gaps before sealer is applied for a long-lasting result. Your local SmartSeal agent can also supply a range of tinted sealers to restore faded colours on imprinted concrete and roof tiles, giving your surface that brand new look once again. Once your property has been transformed, keep it looking fresh with a top-up coat of sealer every few years. For a free quotation, call us today or visit our website.